Earwax, also known by the medical term cerumen, is a waxy substance secreted in the ear canal of humans and other mammals. Earwax can be many colors, including brown, orange, red, yellowish, and gray. Earwax protects the skin of the human ear canal, assists in cleaning and lubrication, and provides protection against bacteria, fungi, particulate matter, and water. Major components of earwax include cerumen, produced by a type of modified sweat gland, and sebum, an oily substance. Both components are made by glands located in the outer ear canal. 2. The chemical composition of earwax includes saturated and unsaturated long-chain fatty acids, alcohols, squalene, and cholesterol. Earwax also contains dead skin cells and hair. 3. Excess or compacted cerumen is the buildup of earwax causing a blockage in the ear canal. 2. And it can press against the eardrum or block the outside ear canal or hearing aids, potentially causing hearing loss.